Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lower your graphics settings to reduce lag in Roblox. Lowering your graphics settings can improve performance, especially if you're playing on a lower-end computer. First, join any Roblox experience. Next, press the escape key on your keyboard or click the Roblox button in the top left corner. Then open the Settings tab. Look for Graphics Mode and change it from automatic to manual. Once you do that, the graphics quality slider will become available. Click the minus button or drag the slider to the left to lower the graphics quality. The lower the graphics quality, the better your game may perform. When you're finished, or click the resume button to return to the game. And that's it. Thanks for watching.